Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an iodine clock. First, gather your materials: 2 large beakers, measuring spoons, and distilled water. You'll also need hydrogen peroxide, soluble starch, sodium metabisulfite, and iodine tincture. Ensure your workspace is clean and well ventilated. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes during the experiment. Let's begin by preparing our first solution. Now, let's prepare solution A. In your first beaker, carefully measure out 4 grams of soluble starch. Add 50 milliliters of warm distilled water and stir until the starch fully dissolves. Next, pour in 100 milliliters of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Mix this solution gently but thoroughly. Make sure to label your beaker clearly as solution A to avoid any confusion later on. Next, we will prepare solution B. In your second clean beaker, measure 2 grams of sodium metabisulfite. Add 100 milliliters of distilled water and stir until the powder completely dissolves. Then, carefully add 5 milliliters of iodine tincture to this mixture. Stir again to ensure everything is well combined. Remember to label this beaker as solution B so you can easily distinguish it from solution A. Now for the exciting part. Quickly pour all of solution B into solution A. Immediately start a timer as you begin to stir the combined solution. Keep stirring continuously and observe closely. After a short delay, you will see a sudden and dramatic color change from clear to a very dark blue or black. Stop your timer at this exact moment to record the reaction time. Enjoy the magic of chemistry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.